How to reset your iPhone camera to default settings. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your iPhone camera to default settings. So let's get started. The one way to do is that you can head over to settings, and when you go to camera, you'll be able to see all of the changes that you have made to the default camera app. But if you want to getting the default settings that looks like that you have just bought the iPhone or you have just updated it, what you need to do is you need to reset all of the settings. So if you want to reset iPhone camera settings to default settings, you'll need to reset the settings of the whole phone, not just for the camera. So to do that, what you're going to do is simply go back and you're going to go to General. Here, scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then you're going to click on Reset over here. And you're going to click on Reset All Settings. Simply type in your passcode or verify using your Face ID. And then you're going to simply click on Start Security Delay. So security delay is required to continue, which is basically the stolen device protection. And once you click on Start Security Delay, after 1 hour, all of the settings of your iPhone would be reset, including the camera settings, and it would be reset to the default settings. So that is basically how you can reset iPhone camera to default settings. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.